In this video, I want to show you how to fix a stuck upper rack in your Frigidaire dishwasher. This is a Frigidaire gallery. This may be a similar process for other makes and models, but in this particular case, you pull this rack out and this side will not go up. What's supposed to happen, if you look at this side, is you just pull up and this gives you a different height adjustment. And then to go down, you just pull it up and it goes down. Some of these have actual clips to help you do this, but this side, there is something going on with the mechanism. So you can get replacement parts for this to just replace this whole thing, but I'm gonna try and do it without putting a replacement part in. So let's give it a shot. First thing I wanna do, if you look right here, these clips, I just wanna pull this out like that. That's going to allow me to take this rack out and it'll make it easier to work on. So pull this right out. And let's go put it on a flat surface somewhere. When it comes to figuring out how to fix things like this is what I like to do. I look at the side that's actually working. This is how this mechanism works. If you see this track right here, you can see there's a pin right down there, and that pin kind of rides along this track, and it hooks up onto that top, and then pull it back up, and it follows that track back down. So for whatever reason, on the other side, you see that pin is facing up. You can see that white piece that the pin is attached to. It's almost like that white piece has rotated or broken somehow. So we basically want to make this side look like the other side and function the same way. The first thing I'm going to do is try to just take some pliers and kind of push this over to line up with the track. Okay, so that's in line with the track, and then it's almost like I have to flip it somehow. This is really tight. I'm gonna try not to break anything. I don't know how it got like this in the first place. Oh, okay. I think I can get it. If I just push it a little more. Okay, I think I got it. So that whole thing kind of rotated. Like I said, I don't know how, but it does work. It gets a little stuck here. Maybe that's how it happened. Maybe it got stuck and we tried to force it a little bit. I wish there was a way to squeeze this together. I'll look down here. There's no obstructions or anything. It looks like it's sitting in there properly. Well, let's put this back in and see how it goes. Open up all the rollers. Like that. Same thing on this side. And then make sure you lock these tabs like this. Okay, let's see. It seems to be working. It is a little rough. Maybe the stress of having this loaded with dishes or something put a lot of pressure on it, and then because it had to have enough weight on here or force to push down to flip that whole little pin. So I guess I'll just try and adjust it before we even put the dishes in. So it's working now. I guess that's better than buying a replacement part. So if you had a similar situation, hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.